Problem 4. Solving a system by multiplying both equations. What is the solution of the system? Use elimination. When we consider the system, 3x plus 2y equals 1 and 4x plus 3y equals negative 2, we find right away that 3 is not a factor of 4 and 2 is not a factor of 3. So we're not going to be able to just multiply the first equation by some whole number or integer in order to get equal or opposite numbers of x's or y's. So we end up having to multiply both equations in order to cancel out one of the variables. 3x plus 2y equals 1. If we multiply that by 3, well, then we do get 6y's, and 6 is a multiple of 3, which we see 3y's in the second equation. So we multiply the first equation by 3, and we get 9x plus 6y equals 3. We multiply the second equation by 2 in order to get the same number of y's. We end up now with 8x plus 6y equals negative 4. Since we have the same number of y's, we need to subtract the second equation from the first. 9x minus 8x leaves us with x. 6y minus 6y leaves us with 0. And 3 minus negative 4 equals 7. Now that we know the value of x, 7, we're going to solve for the eliminated variable, y. We'll use either of the original equations. In this case, we'll use the first equation. 3x plus 2y equals 1, so 3 times 7 plus 2y equals 1. Solving for y, we find y equals negative 10. Therefore, the solution is 7, negative 10. Your turn. Part A. How can you use the multiplication property of equality to change the equations in this system in order to solve it using elimination? Part B. Write and solve a revised system. And Part C. Show that the solution of the revised system is the solution of the original system.